Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we're actually in the garage today. Last video you saw, we ground down the RHD manifold, and we did some sanding, and we did some powder coat, and we did a few other things. But now we are actually in the garage, and we are going to install the RHD manifold and throttle bodies and all that kind of stuff, guys. So what we need to do is we need to clean the garage up so that we can work in here right now. So as you can see, it's a catch-all for everything right now. Everything's in here, and so is the M3, but it's been covered, so we're good. But we need to get it cleaned up so that we can actually do work in here. So we're going to rearrange some stuff. We have some tires. We're going to move from there to here. Really get some space cleaned up here so we can actually work in here. So let's get the cleaning. So guys, we kind of got the garage cleaned up. As you can see, we got some space to work here. We got some space in front of the car to work, and we're gonna have some space in the back to work here. But guys, I got a little surprise for the M3. I actually got them about 2 weeks ago or so from Harbor Freight. And they're not that heavy. They are wheel jacks, guys. So, to make our life a little bit easier in the garage, since this is only a one car garage, we are going to make this easy by having 4 wheel dollies, guys. So, each one's going to go under each tire. Duh. And then the car is actually going to be able to be pushed and moved, and we can like shove it to the side, we can pull it this way, we can actually work in this garage while this car is being worked on. Of course, once we get it all back together and it's driving, we can take this off and we can put the white car in here and so on and so forth. But right now, let's unbox these babies and get them under at least one wheel. So guys, we have the front done. We have our 2 for the rear. This is our new puppy Beamer. Say hi, Beamer. Hi, Beamer. Go puppy. Well, now we're going to put these 2 under the rear tires, and then we can move this car around. What are you barking at? So guys, as you can see, we have all 4 wheels on dollies, and now this thing is super easy to move around. As you can see, we've already moved it, and if you just grab it, and it'll just move. Right now, my whole garage kind of slopes that way, so it likes to move that way, but this thing moves super easy all the way around the garage. I'm going to do some sweeping, and then we're going to So guys, now we kind of got the car positioned where we want to work on it. This gives us a lot more space back here to kind of move around, but this also gives us a lot more space up here so that we can get to everything when we do get to the RHD stuff. I did forget when I did take off the supercharger and I sold the supercharger, there were some bolts and some pulleys that I need to get back on the car. I actually forgot, but the bolt that holds the alternators on, those bolts need to be put back on, and this intake hose needs to come off. But that is all stuff that we can do while we are taking off this intake manifold. So now that we got the garage clean, now we can start taking all of this stuff off in preparation for the RHD ITB manifold, guys.